So it's a great question. So I joined Cleverciti because I am just so passionate about stopping climate change. When you look at a city or any big parking area, one of the biggest sources of emissions is the cars that are circling around. If we can eliminate a big chunk of those searching cars, we can solve a huge emissions problem and really have the biggest impact of emissions in the city that's possible. So really, if you think about approaching a city at the entrance, you want to have big signs, guidance that says, please don't enter our city, park here because there's no space. Once you're in the city, you can then be guided turn by turn to the nearest space. So it's super crucial that wherever you are at the city edge or inside the city, we can show you exactly how to get to the nearest space and stop the driving, stop the emissions, and switch to something much cleaner like walking or an e-scooter or public transit. So a lot of people ask, why are we focused on parking? Isn't parking going to be irrelevant someday? Really, it's not. So if you think about autonomous electric cars in our future, it becomes even more important for those cars to operate as optimally as possible. And the best way for them to do that is to know all of the places in a city where they can pause, and that way they can save on this really valuable electricity and be ready to pick up the next passenger when the passenger is done shopping.